Hi, Carrie Cross with the Cross Group Ed and Tarot Real Estate. Today I would like to discuss the 3 mistakes that most home sellers make. Over my many years in real estate, I have worked with a lot of different sellers and they seem to all make the same mistakes. The first is they wait too long to call. Most sellers contact us right when they're ready to sell, and it doesn't give us a lot of time to really prepare the house and go over some strategies and work on different things that will really get you the most money possible. I like to talk to sellers even a year before that they're thinking about putting their home on the market. This allows us to get a plan together, work on a pre-marketing strategy, which is really important, and lets us put everything into place so that when they are ready, we have a plan put together. The second mistake that most sellers make is that they make unnecessary repairs on their home, repairs that they may not see a return from. We can help you determine the do's and don'ts of getting your home ready to sell. As a real estate agent that works with many buyers on a daily basis, we know what the buyers are looking for in today's real estate market, and I can tell you it's changed over the years. So don't spend money until you call us first. Let's make sure that we make your money count and we put it to things that you will really see a return on. The third mistake that we see is sell at the wrong time. I have been blown away with what people's perceptions are of the real estate market and what the reality actual is. For instance, the biggest misconception is that the holidays is a bad time to sell a home. This is just not true. We have very serious buyers with extra time off work and they're really wanting to buy a home before the end of the year for the holidays or for tax purposes. We have years of data that show the holidays is a very busy real estate market. Another misconception is that summer is the best time to sell a home. Although many homes do sell during the summer, it is not the most popular time to sell a house like you may think. Not as many buyers are available because a lot of people take family trips over the summer breaks or they do a lot of outings. So if you think of it this way, a percentage of people travel over the summer, and that is less people that will be in town to see your home when you put it on the market. You may also be selling for less money. Most sellers should consider supply and demand when planning the best time to sell a home. When inventory is low, most homes will sell faster and for more money than you may get when there's a lot of homes on the market. Many people wait till summer to put their homes on the market when inventory is higher, making homes stay on the market longer and causing sellers to reduce their price for a quick sell. If you're someone that wants to sell for the summer and you want to wait till your kids are finished with school, now is the time for you to sell. We have programs to get your home sold for the most money possible and allow you to remain in your home until your kids get out of school. The bottom line is, whenever you want to make your move, it is important for us to sit down together, discuss your personal situation, and have a plan to get your home sold. After all of our years in real estate, we know the best way to navigate every real estate market. We are happy to be your source for everything real estate related. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos, market updates, and real estate information. Of course, you could always get more information on our website, crossgrouphomes.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.